Coming up in our news, Belinda with the weather.
Thank you, Pete. Right now it's around 24 degrees across Sydney, but feels more like 21 in the city thanks to some fresh southerlies. So far, no rain recorded today, but a warning for Tay-Tay fans. The Bureau says there's still a slight chance of a shower later this evening. Temperatures heating up for the final few days of summer. The forecast is next. Welcome back. Plenty of sunshine for Sydney this morning to kick off a new week. You can't beat a good sunrise, so here's a little treat for you. Burnt orange skies as the sun rose above the horizon. That beautiful morning light bouncing off the clouds, making the view even more spectacular. That cloud clearing, but then building again at lunchtime. A southerly change sweeping into Sydney, capping temperatures earlier than usual. The city hitting its top temperature just before 11:30 this morning, reaching 28. Lighter winds in our west allowing the mercury to climb into the 30s. Penrith making it to 32, about 3 degrees above the February average. Scattered showers are developing along the southern half of the New South Coast this evening. There's also the chance of a shower on the north coast, but a dry and mostly sunny day for inland parts. Top temperatures generally 3 to 5 degrees warmer than average for this time of year, with most places reaching the mid to high 30s. Cooler on the south coast thanks to some fresh southerlies. Bateman's Bay stopping at 23, which is 2 degrees cooler than average. Those onshore winds sticking around tomorrow, so we could see some more coastal showers. Otherwise, a high bringing warm and dry conditions to the rest of our state. Around the country tomorrow, fine day for Brisbane as well, with a top of 31. 27 and cloudy skies for Canberra, hot and sunny in Melbourne with a top of 30, partly cloudy and 25 in Hobart, soaring to 36 in Adelaide, partly cloudy and a top of 29 for Perth. Back home and conditions will be much like today. Scattered showers expected along the southern half of the coast again, plus the chance of a shower elsewhere in the east. Those southerlies keeping top temperatures cooler than average on the south coast, around 23 or 24. Inland New South Wales remaining dry and mostly sunny with that heat building across the northwest. Burke forecast to hit 42, that's 7 degrees above the February average, and 36 the top for Narrabri and Griffith. On to Sydney, and we are for a mostly cloudy day with light winds and a medium chance of showers, most likely in our west, and less than a millimetre forecast. A cooler day ahead for our western suburbs with tops around 25 or 26. The city also heading for 26 after a low of 21. Overnight lows in our west around 18 to 20. After tomorrow, things heating up again. The city warming up to 30 degrees on Wednesday with cloud clearing, hot and sunny on Thursday, soaring to 37 before the next southerly arrives. At this stage, we might get a shower or two over the weekend with tops around 30 degrees on Saturday and 27 on Sunday. A top of just 24 in our west next Monday, but we are in for a scorcher on Thursday, hitting the 40s. Summer finish with a bang, Pete.
Belinda, thank you. Ali is next with a current affair. That is 9 News for this Monday. I'm Peter Overton. I hope you have a good evening. From all of us, good night.